Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. And as you can see, it's night for us. It's night and it's New Year's Eve. Say hello fam bam.
Hi guys.
Tyler, say hello.
Hi guys.
Where are we going, Ty?
The restaurant. Oh no, mais oui, j'ai trouvé le panneau de train.
He's getting excited because he's seen the signs on the road. Anyway, you guys, we are starting the vlog super late today because all we've been doing all day today is chill at home. It's actually our first New Year's Eve at home. We're always away for New Year's Eve, but I decided that I just want to chill this New Year's Eve and stay home. So we're doing just that. And besides babe didn't take any vacation, so that's perfect. Let me show you guys the sunset. Can you guys see that? So pretty. So we have been home all day just chilling and doing stuff around the house, so we didn't really vlog while we were home. However, we are out right now. We're heading to the restaurant because I've been wanting sushi and I'm going to get just that right now. So we're going to the restaurant. Yeah, he says he see the sign with number 30 on it. This boy loves sign. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys had a good New Year Eve and New Year by the time you guys see this vlog. It will be just after New Year's, so hopefully you guys had a good one and renting with your friends or family, or you were in church or whatever it is that you do. Yes, Tyler? English, please. 30 is the sign.
Mama,
yes.
The sign.
Yes, 30 is on the sign.
Mama, 30 is on the sign.
Very good, baby. Yes, I can see that. Listen, this boy will show you every sign on the road. Anyway, you guys, we're on our way to just enjoy the New Year's Eve. We'll be home back long before midnight, and midnight you'll catch me probably sleeping or maybe just relaxing in the couch editing some vlogs for you guys or something. Maybe Tyler will be sleeping by then. I like to stay up until midnight whenever it's New Year's, but let's see. And we don't even have any champagne at home. Well, I think there's champagne, but your girl can't drink it. You don't have any champagne at home for me. So I don't know what I'll be drinking at midnight. Really?
No, beer.
Well,
beer and
I guess we'll be drinking tea tonight at midnight. We definitely be drinking some hot tea and hot chocolate tonight at midnight.
No,
to ring in New Year's. What you be drinking, Tyler?
I'm not drinking hot tea, and I'm not eating hot chocolate.
What you gonna do? Say Happy New Year, Faves! Tell Faves Happy New Year.
I'm eating hot tea and hot toast.
Okay, can you tell Faves Happy New Year? Say Happy New Year, Faves!
Happy New Year, Faves!
But right, we should say Happy New Year because it's the first vlog you guys going to see. No? No, it's the first vlog you guys gonna see after New Year. So Happy New Year, my loves. And hopefully all the vlogs that will be coming in 2019, you guys will love them. I'm sure you guys will love them, and we'll be so excited to share all those vlogs with you as we've been doing for the past 2.5 years, 2 years and a little. But 2019 will be awesome, and I can't wait to share more vlogs with you guys. Anyway, you guys, I am hungry right now, and the more I talk is the more hungry I get, so I'm gonna shut up, put down this camera, and I'll see you guys when we get to the restaurant. Babe, did you say afternoon?
Yes, I did say afternoon.
Okay. Guys, those sushi was everything, literally. And now we're on the beach taking a stroll with the fam. They're the boys. You guys can't see the water because it's so dark out here and I'm freezing. It's so cold. Look at these two. Hey yo.
Hello.
We're so cold. It's so cold out here. It's freezing. But we're enjoying our New Year's Eve. I'm sure we're gonna fall asleep before midnight because I'm full. Well, this is our New Year's Eve by the beach. New Year's Eve by the beach. And there won't be no fireworks down here, which they normally have each year, but it's cancelled ever since the terrorist attack on the promenade. So no fireworks. But look how beautiful this city is though. Look at all this night light. What you doing, little man? English, English, hey, hey. You missed. Good job. Don't go further. You're right here. Don't go further. Sorry. Wait. No, Tyler. No. Shoot now. Wait, don't show yet, wait. No, Troy, no. Yeah. Wait, you have to wait until the wave comes. Wait. No, Troy. Wait. No. You missed. And no. Do it. Okay, let me give you a different one to do. How about you do this one with this one? Hold it, and you're gonna cut it this way and then this way, okay? Go ahead, help him. You guys, we're in the kitchen making pizza. We're making pizza for the first time together. Tyler loves pizza, so
Voilà.
we're doing homemade pizza today. Good job, Ty. So we're actually preparing the toppings. We're using sausage and pepperoni to make pizza. So even if it's jacked up, that's okay. He's just having fun making it. And we think it's a cool family moment for him because he loves cooking.
Regarde, papa il va juste les tourner pour Tyler, d'accord? Voilà, et maintenant tu fais comme ça.
So the boy is cutting the pepperoni and I'm cutting the
cut.
sausage.
Appuie, appuie. Non, pas avec cette main, juste mets la force.
They're really jacking up this pepperoni.
Voilà.
Whoa!
Good job.
Bravo! Okay, now you take up the pieces one by one and put them in here.
Okay, one.
Baby, you can put in the sausage while he's doing that.
One only.
Wait, you're gonna put a little flour on here and you wipe it all over the board.
So guys, we have some pineapple here, we have some sweet peppers here, we have some, there's not exactly pepperoni that
Pepperoni best friend.
be used as pepperoni. Some other pineapple is the cutting pineapple, some sausage, and some ham, and of course
We have
a lot of cheese here.
And we have tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
And the pizza dough is here. Of course, we didn't make it from scratch. So we buy the one at the supermarket. And this is like the thin pizza dough. So we're just gonna take time and see how best it's gonna turn out.
And of course, is Chef Tyler.
Tyler, say hello to the fish.
Hello, fish.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm rubbing the sugar.
Not the sugar, it's flour.
I rub the flour.
Alright, you can stop rubbing now, baby.
It's messy.
It's okay.
That's okay.
Now we're gonna put it. You know what? You know what, Ty? We're not gonna use the board. We're gonna ditch the board and make our pizza directly on here. Okay?
Okay.
That's our pizza. Well, that's Tyler pizza. You wanna see it? Oh, don't touch, it's hot.
Daddy.
Go for your chair.
I found my chair.
It looks good.
My chair, Mama.
We struggle to put it in the pan. Yes.
My chair.
Yes, come, stand up here so you can see your pizza. Put it here. Don't touch, don't touch. I put it up higher, add some more minutes. You ready to see it, to taste it? Yeah, don't touch, you know. It's hot. Gonna bite it? Don't touch, it's hot. in the. I just wash it. Look close to the board. Hey, yummy.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy. 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 My
Honey?
tummy.
You ready to cut it?
Yeah.
Don't touch the pan. It's hot.
What's that
Okay.
here?
Yeah.
We're doing a slice. We're doing a slice, Mama.
Yeah. We're doing it in parts. Don't touch. Don't
One
touch.
for Papa, one for Mama. One for Taya, one for Taya.
So 2 for Tyler.
And one for Mama and Papa.
So only 1 for Mama and Papa and 2 for Tyler?
Yeah.
Alright, you deserve it. You made it. Alright. Taste testing time. But it's hot.
That looks like the pizza when you go in the bakery. You see the way they put it in.
Oh,
Hard to
pineapple.
You want pineapple? Pineapple is on the pizza.
I want
You sure you should cook it in this little square?
For him, yes.
Okay.
But these big ones
Yeah.
can stay the way they are. You want the pineapple to eat? So you guys, that's it for pizza. Our first family pizza together. You eating pineapple?
Looks
It looks good.
yummy. Tyler.